so wenig Zeit.
Not enough time for training? With Festo LX, you learn flexibly, digitally and practically, from industry for industry. Our digital learning platform gives you access to relevant knowledge exactly when you need it. Festo LX combines ready-made learning modules with individual learning content on one platform. Learners train practice-orientated. Instructors adapt existing learning content or create their own courses with the AI-supported content creator. Whether smart maintenance, pneumatics or robotics, Festo LX brings knowledge where it matters. No rigid training, no paper, and no waiting time. Employees learn exactly what they really need, anytime and anywhere. When will you start your first training session on Festo LX?